Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make pineapple jams, but it's special or traditional Thai pineapple jams. This is one of my favorite fruit jam is pineapple. Making homemade jams are always my favorite things to try at home. It's delicious, sweet and sour sauce. And pineapple jams with biscuits have become extremely popular in Thailand and also used during Chinese New Year season too. This pineapple jam is quite thick enough to press on the top of the cookie or biscuit, not quite the same type of jams you would spread on your toast. And I highly recommend using fresh pineapple. First, cut off the pineapple skin and then remove the center of the pineapple that is hard. And after you remove the center of the pineapple and then make the smaller chunk by slice to be the little pieces. And then strainer for the pineapple for remove the juice of pineapple. And then continue until it's finished. The reason why we remove the pineapple juice because it will make faster when we simmering. And now we will simmer over medium-low heat for about 30 minutes. First, put the pineapple that we prepare little pieces and put half cup of the brown sugar and half teaspoon of the salt. And you can adjust for the sweetness or saltiness or sour because it depends with the pineapple that you use. And keep stirring to prevent the jams from burning. And now you can see it will turn into a nice golden color and also a little bit dry. You will know it's ready when it's very thick and the apple is a bit of dry and also it's very nice golden color and also become a bit translucent. And now it's ready. When the jam is completely cool, press on the biscuits or the cookie. This pineapple jams you can put to be the filling of other desserts, bread, pie, or tart. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube, and see you next time.